Hello and good day, Medicine Hat. It's Craig here, Medicine Hat Toyota. We're here going to talk about some different types of accessories that are available for the vehicles, in particular the TRD Pro line. The TRD Skidplate here is available for the Tacoma and for the Tundra and for the 4Runner. These skid plates are high quality, specifically designed for your vehicle. They're fairly lightweight, so it doesn't add too much weight to your vehicle, and it's definitely going to protect your vehicle against any rocks or any type of damage that's going to fly up from underneath if you're hitting the back roads or the back country. One of the other things we're going to talk about today is the Toyota branded bed mats. These are really handy to throw in the back of your bed. I don't know, I do a little bit of camping in the back of my truck. Whether you want to do that, I don't know, but they're also handy if you're moving a bunch of different type of materials and you don't want them sliding around in your box. This is a great option to throw in there. We have the bed mats for the Tacomas and the Tundras. A lot of times we have these items in stock, so it's as simple as giving us a shout to check the availability, or generally we can get stuff within a day or two. So again, it's Craig here, Medicine Hat Toyota Parts Department. Feel free to reach out, 403-526-6228. Thanks a lot, guys.